what I wanted to talk about was this notion of Google's concept of the zero moment of truth. So for a long time, marketing approaches essentially focused on putting out a compelling advertisement and then optimizing the point of purchase. And that was broadly defined as sort of that first moment of truth. And then the customer service delivery, whatever the product was, and the customer service supporting it was really defined as the second moment of truth. So that was the traditional way we operated, especially in marketing. Put out an ad, make sure the product was easy to buy, customer bought the product, we delivered great service, and all was great. However, in a digital world, things are changing rather rapidly. Buyers are taking in a ton of information before reaching that first point of purchase, that first moment of truth. And Google defines this earlier research phase, the fact that customers are well educated even before they first show up to your store or your website or they first come across you. In fact, from a recent study from the Consumer Board, B2B customers will typically complete about 60% of their purchasing decision before reaching out to one of your sales reps. So Google is defining this research that's taking place before customers even show up to you as that zero moment of truth.